I think this is my most favorite curbside craft that we've had because it's all about ice cream. Raise your hand if you like ice cream. I like ice cream. What's your favorite flavor? Could it be vanilla or chocolate or strawberry? Well, did you know the #1 flavor of ice cream in the world is vanilla? And if you get that vanilla ice cream on a cone, it takes about 50 licks to finish that ice cream cone. Now, I hope you have your listening ears on because we're going to read a story and then I'm going to show you some fun crafts that are in your bag this week. I'll see you soon.
Groovy Joe, Ice Cream and Dinosaurs. Written by Eric Litwin and illustrated by Tom Lichtenheld. Groovy Joe saw something yummy. Groovy Joe started rubbing his tummy. Groovy Joe was living the dream. He had a spoon and a tub of ice cream, and he started to sing. Love my doggy ice cream, love my doggy ice cream. Oh no! A little dinosaur stomped into the room. He glared at the ice cream and took out a spoon. He put on a bib. He pulled up a chair. What did Joe say? It's awesome to share. And everyone sang, love my doggy ice cream, love my doggy ice cream. Oh no! A big dinosaur burst into the room. He glared at the ice cream and took out a spoon. He put on a bib. He pulled up a chair. What did Joe say? It's awesome to share. And everyone sang, love my doggy ice cream, I love my doggy ice cream. Oh no! A huge dinosaur smashed into the room. She glared at the ice cream and took out a spoon. She put on a bib. She pulled up a chair. What did Joe say? It's awesome to share. And everyone sang, love my doggy ice cream, love my doggy ice cream. Oh no! The tub was empty. The ice cream was through. So the dinosaurs glared at you-know-who. What can Joe do? He turned over the tub and made it a drum. Groovy Joe beat out a rum-tum-a-tum-tum. The dinosaurs laughed. They rose from their chairs. They started to dance. They jumped in the air. Then what did they say? It's awesome to share! And everyone sang together. Love my doggy ice cream, love my doggy ice cream. The end. In your bag you have 3 ice cream crafts, a cool foam magnet craft, a sun catcher, and a wooden popsicle craft. You can decorate them any way you like. This is how I decorated mine. I hope you had fun today learning the scoop on ice cream. Get it? The scoop? I'll see you soon at the library, friends. Stay sweet, parakeets.